Hey everyone, we're back over here at the layout and we got something really cool to go ahead and open up. I just picked up today from the shipping place the new Union Pacific Vision Line Challenger number 3985. So a couple quick things before we go ahead and open this up. One thing I noticed just already picking it up, I'll put a couple pictures up here on your guys' screen here. Lionel's actually got quality check stickers on the shipping carton of the locomotive. So one there on the seal and then one over in the corner. So I think that's really good direction for Lionel, and I think that's the start of their new quality check program that they've been quality control, that they've been trying to do. So I'll go ahead and we'll get rid of this shipping carton and we'll go ahead and pull it out and see what it looks like. Okay, so turns out I don't have a whole lot of room down here in my basement. I don't know if what you've seen, it's kind of a cluttered mess right now. But anyway, so I didn't have enough room to do kind of a full unboxing video. So I went ahead, I got the Challenger out, got it sitting on the track here. I already kind of skimmed through the manual, nothing too anything I didn't expect. What comes in the box is of course our manual. You get a smoke fluid pipette, nut driver to replace the traction tires, take off the side rod screws and everything. You get a smoke fluid funnel for your dynamo smoke unit, helps put fluid in there. I was real surprised to see this though, was I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe that is a scale box to be able to add a scale coupler on the rear of the tender. This is die cast, so that's a real hefty metal there. I haven't looked real close to see if there's screw holes and everything there for it, but I imagine so. And over here we also have our dummy O-gauge coupler along with some replacement traction tires. Okay, and like I said, basement's a real cluttered mess, so we're going to go ahead and we'll start it up, listen to a couple sounds, and might do a run by or two. That's all this video is going to contain. Be sure to watch out on the Wichita Toy Train Club's YouTube channel. Me and 682 Charlie, otherwise known as Chris, will be doing a full review of this Challenger, and I believe another club member has got the LCCA exclusive version, so we'll have both of those for a video review. Okay, let's start it up and take it for a spin.
Cheyenne Yard Office calling the 3985.
3985 answering. Go ahead. Over.
Get her set up and running. Your train will be ready at 17:30. Over.
Sounds good. 3985 out.
Cheyenne Yard Office calling the 3985. Timers are running on the plant now. You're the next move. Over.
Engine 3985 to the dispatcher. We're knocking down your home signal. Over.
Copy that. Dispatcher out.
at Green River, ready to make our pull. Can we get permission to occupy the main? Over.
Roger that. Your route is lined and locked. Have a safe run. Over.
Showing a clear signal on the cap now. Thank you.